everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 564 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out another Maybelline product. I actually got this one as a free sample because of the product that I tried out yesterday, which was the Maybelline SPF 50 foundation, which I really like. So if you want to see my review of that, I will have that video linked down below. I am wearing it again today, and I feel like my makeup is looking really good. But so this is the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. So this is a sample version, but on the Ulta website you can buy the full-size version for $10.49, and I have this in the shade Very Black, and I thought this was kind of funny, but this actually comes in 4 different shades. 3 shades of black and a brownish shade. Usually you just get one black mascara, but you know, I kind of appreciate the variety of this. But so this sounds really nice. It says that it's supposed to lengthen and volumize and separate the lashes. All of the things that I want in a mascara. So I'm excited to see if this is any good. The packaging is cute. I love anything pink. Ooh, this is a pretty big mascara wand. So here is what it looks like. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it to one eye so that we can compare the difference. When I review mascaras for the first time, I don't curl my lashes first. But on a daily basis, I do curl my lashes. But I'm actually really impressed by this so far. For a big mascara wand, it's very easy to apply and it's not getting onto my eyelid at all, which is great because that's such a pain and I feel like that happens all the time. But it definitely already gave good volume, good length, good separation. The instructions say to build it up until you reach your desired volume. So I'm gonna go in with another layer. Wow. It's still staying pretty separated and the lashes are getting fuller. I feel like they look really long and fully black. Wow, this is actually really, really good. And there is definitely curl happening. It looks like I curled my lashes. They look so good right now. I'm a little bit surprised because the reviews on this were not amazing, but this is actually performing amazing in my opinion right now. I'm gonna go ahead and see how it does on the lower lashes. A little bit messy on the lower lashes. I definitely got some mascara on my under eye, but decent. It's definitely better for the top lashes. Oh, and something that I read about this is that it has coconut oil in it, which is supposed to nourish the lashes and make it go on very smoothly. And it really is going on so smooth, no clumping at all. And I love that it's going to nourish the lashes. I'm going in with a third coat because why not? I'm just loving that it's so buildable, but without compromising. Like the lashes are not starting to stick together. They're still getting curled. They're just getting more volumized. But seriously, so good. Okay, look at that difference. I honestly have not worn a mascara this impressive in a while. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the other eye. and get my final thoughts, make sure I really love this as much as I think that I do. Okay, mascara is applied and I'm actually kind of blown away right now. I love this mascara. If I'm gonna be honest, I don't love it for the lower lashes. I wouldn't personally use it on the lower lashes just because it's too messy, but I really do love it for my top lashes. It almost gives that false lash effect because of how full it makes my lashes look. Like every lash is individually coated and separated and volumized. So I just love the finished effect of this. This mascara seriously did everything I want my mascara to do. So I'm very happy. But let me know in the comments down below if you've tried this and if you love it as much as I do. This is a sample that is definitely going to get me to buy the full-size version. I'm so glad I tried this, and that's really fun for me too. It's when you just get a sample and you try it. It's not even a product that you plan to purchase or try out, and then it's amazing. So very excited about this. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.